Hello students, today we will discuss adjectives. Compacta page number 219. According to your Compacta, you will get the definition. The words that add to the meaning of nouns or describing their quantity, quality, number, etc. are called adjective. To understand this definition, first of all, I request all the students to know what are nouns. If you are clear with the topic of noun, it will be easier for you to understand the adjectives in a better way. So here you can see box on Compacta page number 219. It will tell you the types and the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, quantity, numerical, demonstrative, possessive adjectives and interrogative adjectives. After that, it will also teach you the formation of adjective. What can be the formation? Let us read out. Adjectives can be formed by attaching a suffix. A word which is added at the end of the word is known as suffix. If we add in the front of the word, then we call it prefix. Like mother word is there. If you add ly, it becomes motherly. And so are red, reddish, quarrel, quarrelsome. Next video, it will be position of adjectives, and after that we'll come to know comparison of adjectives. We will all discuss this. Let us have a look at the kinds of adjective. It says the words that describe people or things with regard to their quality, quantity, number, or any other specification are known as adjectives. Like a tiny insect. Insect is a noun, and the word tiny is describing this word. Therefore, this is an adjective. That's why I told you first you should know what is a noun. Same way, all the examples you will find. For example, here is your bag. Which word is a noun here? Bag is a noun, and the word your is describing the word bag. So this will be an adjective. Then what kind of adjectives these will be, that you will have to know. As at the back page I have already discussed the kinds. Let us quickly just have a look here. Quality. So quality will tell you how the noun is described as. Whether it is described in color, shape, size, texture, condition, material, quality, nationality or origin, it is like that. It comes under quality, or the other descriptive adjective. It is also known as quantity or quantifiers. You have already done in previous chapters. These words you are familiar with. Quantity means related to the number. So like many, great, all these words are included in quantity. Numeral. So these adjectives describe the number or the order of noun that follows them. Like they are further subdivided as. So here you will get definite numerals, indefinite numerals and distributive numerals. Right, students? So this is how the adjectives will tell you its shape, or the description of the adjective is according to like this. So demonstrative adjective means, if you remember students, I had taught you this with the Ungliji Maharaj. Yes, just to make you remember the points, I just taught you in that way. So this again you are getting that these those who point out towards any of the noun. Right? So here a small box is there. If you say like this bag, which is singular and near, that flower at a distance, which is far but singular. The plural these, bags, those, flower are also known as demonstrative adjectives because these words are describing the word nouns over here. Interrogative adjectives, which starts with WH question or HOW question, but the condition is it should be having the noun and the word has to be described. If that word is describing the word noun, then it will be known as interrogative adjective. Possessive, if you remember, I had already discussed with you. So it says tera, mera, like. So it is my, your, his, etc. These are possessive adjectives. To hunt the word adjective, you should know what a noun is. So any word which is describing the noun will help you out to find out adjectives. So let us quickly jump up to the next page where further description is there. So exercise we will be solving later. So now focus on formation of adjectives. How the adjective is formed. Now let us see. Some adjectives occur independently, like a huge mansion, a wild flower, a sharp knife, etc. But some adjectives are derived from other words like nouns, verbs, and other adjectives. For example, courage, it becomes courageous, quarrel, quarrelsome, pink, pinkish. So these are noun, but by adding few words as a suffix, you get adjectives. So this is the formation of adjectives. Here one box is there. So if you add suffix here, you will get adjectives. So I want students to go through all these words. Let me discuss top two words. Dirt. If you add the word y here, it becomes dirty. Ear. If you add ly here, it becomes yearly. So this is how you have to make from root word. If you add suffix, you will get the adjective, like burn. If you add the word t here, you get the adjective burnt. Some negative adjectives can be formed by adding prefixes. Now you have to see whether the words which you use they change the meaning of it. For example, satisfied, you add the word dis as a prefix, it becomes dissatisfied. Possible, impossible. So here I will also introduce one more word, but sometimes when we say my work is complete, but if it is not completed, you try to say it incomplete, which is a wrong word. It is always used or said as incomplete. So some nouns also you find here as acting as an adjective. Then you will have past present participle as an adjective. For example, she has a running nose. So running nose means उसको जुकाम है, उसको cold हो गया है. So this is how she has a running nose. So running is actually a verb, but here it is not acting as a verb. It is like she has a running nose. So here this word will be like present participle. Yes, of course it is half known as a verb, but here acting as an adjective. She has a running nose. Right? So this is how the examples are given for you to understand, students. After that, more exercises that you will have to do. Make two adjectives using each of the following suffixes. Do not use the example which are already listed. So you will have to write any new words. Don't use these words which are already mentioned here. So this you will have to make little efforts. I hope I'm clear with this topic. In another video, I will explain the next topics which we have to focus upon. Right, students? Thank you.